The best, yes, the best. The millennial choice. The millennial choice.
This song is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
It's 9:10.
This time check is brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
Yes, the best.
Mga mamis, laundry day na ba? Nako, kunot noo ka na naman ba sa makapit, madikit at malupit naman siya? All you need is Pride. Bakit papahirapan ng self kung sa Pride, easy at worry-free ang laundry? Sa triple stain-away formula, tanggal ang matutinding mancha. Based on test chocolate, mud, and sebum cotton. Gawa ng ACS to. DJ Karen po ng 101.1, yes, the best.
Yes, the best.
Palakasin ang resistensya para iwas-iwas sa sakit with proper diet and exercise.
Hello, this is Rene Salud, ang inyong fashion designer to the world. Marami talaga ang kabisihan sa mundo ng fashion. Kaya mahalaga sa akin ang MX3. Napakahalaga sa akin ang tulog. That's why kahit sobrang busy, I make time for a good sleep. Well-rested ako and glowing like those beauty queens I dressed. MX3 is part of my daily routine. I am so blessed to have MX3 in my life. I am Rene Salud. Believe ako sa MX3. Kaya umiinom ako ng MX3.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Walang makakapigil. Na-na-na-na-na, yeah. Huwag nakakagigil. Na-na-na-na-na, yeah. Di makakapigil ang tunay tigil, yeah. Walang makakapigil. Best ever sunsilk.
New Best Ever Sunsilk with Active Infusion versus previous formulations for smooth and fragrant hair. With regular use, walang makakapigil sa bangong nakakagigil.
Palakasin ang resistensya para iwas-iwas sa sakit with proper diet and exercise.
Hi, this is Rene Salud, ang inyong fashion ambassador to the world. Mahaba-haba na rin ang lalakbay ko in my fashion career. I dress beauty queens and known celebrities. Na-curious ako sa MX3, so I tried. 2 years ko na itong tinitake kasabay ng proper diet at regular workout. Para sa akin, ang MX3 is like my beautiful creations. Fit for a queen anywhere in the world.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
The best, the millennial choice. Whoa, the millennial choice. Yes, the best.
Yes, the best. Ling now.
When I was young